Hello everyone, my name is Moni Dipashil. I'm an ex-IT employee and a professional dancer. Today, I'm going to share my experience as a student of English Foundation Academy, known as EFA. Our respected teacher Krishnanjana ma'am's expertise in teaching English language is commendable. Her teaching techniques are innovative, engaging, and interactive, which made it easy for me to learn and enhance my communication skills. Even though I come from a Bengali medium background, I feel fortunate to be associated with such an organization since 2010. I would like to take a moment to show my gratitude to IFA and Krishnanjana ma'am for helping me to grow in my personal and professional life. I highly recommend IFA to anyone who wants to enhance their communication skill. Joining IFA classes will be a decision you won't regret. Thank you.